Hi, it's Dean Odell, and it is our community version of Tustin Talks. I'm here with a business that we greatly need in our Tustin area. I know this from being in the business. People are asking me for this kind of service all the time, so I want to introduce somebody I've known in this community a long time, and he is just a perfect fit for this business because he cares about people, and his name is Mark Marchetti.
Hey Dean, how are you? Thanks for having me.
Yeah, Mark. So, tell everybody what inspired you to start this business, and let's talk about what the name of this business is, since I forgot to say it.
Not a problem. So my wife Rachel and I purchased HomeWatch CareGivers of Tustin, which is a home care business serving all of Tustin and Irvine. And we provide personal and companion care at the residence, ideally. We can also go into skilled nursing facilities, assisted living, and partner with the full continuum of care. But it's mainly a personal and companion care. And I came about this probably about 9 months ago when I left my other business. I was a company soldier for probably 20 years on the hospital side of things, running a sales team, and got tired of spending 4 hours a day in my car over a 19-year span. So I decided to look at opening my own business. And again, that's what brought us to HomeWatch CareGivers at Tustin. So we're excited to have this.
It's interesting, Mark. I was just out on a listing this last week, believe it or not, where they wanted my advice whether to sell the house or not because their mom was ready and they were trying to figure out, should we put her in care or what should we do? And I actually recommended that they keep her in her house, because she was getting early onset dementia, that type of deal. And the reality is there was a reverse mortgage on this particular piece of property, and it just didn't make sense to sell it for their situation. And I said, God, there's such great companies out there. And,
absolutely.
So now knowing that you're one of them, what makes your business different?
Sure. And to that point, I think what differentiates us from other competitors is that we really, not that they don't care about the client, but we really care about the client, and we put a plan of care together that customizes the fit to their needs. We try to match personality with a home care giver with the client. We customize it. It's not one shop fits all out of the box. And again, keeping people at home is in a safe environment, what they're used to and comfortable with, is very important. And study after study have shown if you're in your home, you're going to exercise more, you're going to take care of yourself, you're going to take your medications, you're going to be a little bit more active and vibrant. Being at home is key. But like I said, we kind of cross section of care within skilled nursing facilities as well. So
I gotcha. So Mark, I know that you told me this home care business is a national company, right? You're just bringing it here locally.
That's correct. Right? Yeah. So it's been in existence since the early 1980s. HomeWatch CareGivers. They're headquartered out of Boulder, Colorado. There's currently over 200 owners, actually nationwide and up in Canada as well. So it's a very established company. They provide the infrastructure, the resources, and the support we need to really be successful. But it is our own business in a community that we grew up in, that we love. Our kids go to school here. We have 3 active kids in sports, all the local sports teams and the local schools. So it's been a real blessing for Rachel and I to be able to get back to the community and provide a much needed service to the area.
Well, that's great because, I talk to so many people in the area myself, and nobody wants to move their parents out of their house if they don't have to. It's from people who have moved away from their parents too, so, and they really need to know who to call, how are we going to take care of this issue? Do I got to, have my parents move in with me in Colorado, or, do we sell the house? There's just so many things, and just to know that this service is available here locally now, and it's being run by a guy like you, who I just highly recommend since I've known you so long. I just wanted to let the community know about it.
I appreciate that, Dean. So we're very excited to be open for business again. We're a 24/7 operation, 365 days a year. We're not a storefront operation, but we have on-call phones. So if someone calls on a Sunday evening, we're going to answer and take care of their needs. So,
yeah. And for you locals, because this is a local business, you'll know that Mark's just right over here on Fashion Lane and walking distance to Jalapenos.
Absolutely. Walking distance to the brewery.
Anyway, all right. Well, thanks for tuning in to Tustin Talks, and we'll see you on our next community video for new businesses in the area. Thanks.
Thank you.